In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned user of Miro or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently search within the platform can save you time and greatly enhance your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate through your projects with ease. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to go to the Miro website. Open your preferred web browser and type in miro.com in the address bar. Press enter and you'll be taken directly to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the layout is clean and user-friendly, designed to help you quickly access all of its features. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to log into your account. Now, if you regularly use Google, you can streamline the process by clicking on the Google option. Simply choose your Google account from the list or log in as needed. This integration with Google makes it really convenient, especially if you're someone who uses a Google account regularly for work or personal use. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and get ready to enter your search terms. Whether it's a specific project name, a piece of text within a board, or any other item you need to locate, this search feature is designed to quickly find what you're looking for. As you start typing, you'll notice that Miro begins suggesting potential matches. This real-time suggestion feature is particularly helpful if you're not exactly sure how your item was titled or just want to save a bit of typing. It can help refine your search and lead you directly to what you need. Finally, once you've entered your search term, hit enter and allow Miro a moment to process your request. You'll then be presented with a list of results that match your query. From here, you can directly click on any of the results to be taken right to the item within your board. This seamless search function is a tremendous time saver and can improve your workflow by ensuring you always have access to needed resources without combing through each board manually. And there you have it. You've mastered the essentials of searching within Miro. With these steps, you can now efficiently locate projects and items, making your experience with Miro all the more streamlined and effective. Keep these tips in mind as you carry on with your work in Miro. Thank you for watching and happy searching.